look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that, the way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people that talk too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me, the way it brings out the blue in your eyes is the Tenerife Sea. And all of the voices surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and now we'll disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love.
I'm loving the thrill lately, and I'm looking for you to take me. You make the room go up in heat, you bring it up like 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready for the ride. Stop, drop, let it rock, show me what you got. Are you ready or not? 'Cause you got the goods. Oh yes, oh yes, you got the goods. Oh yes, oh yes, give me that lightning in my chest. I think I might be so obsessed with your oh yes, oh yes, 'cause you got the goods. You got the goods. It's like the birds ever better when you and I get together. It's a fresh new feeling. I've been needing you like a river. It's like, oh, ay, 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 ay. I don't even have to try. It's like, oh, my, 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 my. Come and get it. I got the goods. I got the goods. I got the goods.
You're the one I've waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all and die for. And as the sun transforms into the moon, I pray we never lose the fire of our youth. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold through every high, every low. Our love will only grow, and I'll be here when the sun sets, and I'll be here till our final breath. My love is all for you. In the darkness, our love shines the brightest. When it's hardest,
Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing. Troubles seem to up and disappear. You touch me with the love ringing. I get really loose when you're near. When you're near, my love is for my friends. Have forgotten half their promises. They're not unkind, just hard to find. One look at you and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the best. Oh, when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Without you, won't last a day without you. times I've had this feeling, I found a newer dream I believe to be true. Finally, you got me falling like this, and I don't wanna end a feeling like this. You know I want to share my world with you. I promise to you my feelings will never change. You know I want to forever live in this moment. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you. I do. Dreaming of a life, a happy ever after. I couldn't imagine if it wouldn't be with you. Each day is like a fairy tale come true. I wouldn't ask for more than being with you. You know I want to share my world with you. I promise to you my feelings will never change. You know I want to forever live in this moment. I Wild lace, wildflower bouquet, and a dress I can't afford. First man I ever loved, ready to place my hand in yours. And oh, your eyes fill with tears. I know we've worked so hard to get here. You say for better or worse. And what I mean in those two words is, here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs, they came and went, so did most. Our friends felt like the rain would never quit. But you took my hand and we slow danced through all of it. And that's what love is. I still remember the first time, that first night. You held me in your arms, pulled me in and we locked eyes. My left hand in your right, you danced me across the kitchen floor. And oh, now you're spinning me around in a tux and a gown. In this crowded room, everyone we love is watching, but it feels like it's just me and you singing. Here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs, they came and went, so did most. Our friends felt like the rain would never quit. But you took my hand and we slow danced through all of it. And that's what love is. Yeah, it's a promise for a lifetime, more than a ring on our finger. It's more than a night in our story. It's a chapter, it's the day of I do and the happily ever after that. So everybody raise your glass. Here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid. God, I can't wait till we grow old and jobs, they'll come and go, but we'll always know when the rain won't seem to quit. Darling, take my hand and I love you, Lord, for your mercy never failed me, and all my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire, and in darkest night, you are close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness, Lord. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. And all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Please remain standing and as we welcome our officiant, Reverend John Joseph Magtibay.
First of all, I would like to welcome everyone who are here today, this afternoon. Welcome, family, friends, and loved ones. We are gathered today to celebrate the union of Clarissa and John Mark. We are all here to support this commitment of love and to share the joy as they chose to spend their lives together. Marriage is a sacred institution in our culture. It's a tradition of partnership, of trust, and dependence on one another to navigate the sometimes stormy seas of life. No matter what it looks like in the end, however, a healthy marriage always needs a solid foundation, and that foundation is love. Gusto ko po munang sabihin at bago ko po simulan ang kasalan po na ito, John Mark, napaka-pogi mo ngayong araw na ito. Diba? Para kong nakita si Edward Cullen. Napaka-pogi. At syempre, ganun din ang iyong bride na si Clarissa. You look gorgeous. Napakaganda. Beautiful. At ganun din po, pwede nyo po ba nasabihin, naman po sa inyong katabi, at appreciate nyo naman po, ang inyong katabi, sabihin mo, ang ganda mo, ang pogi mo ngayong hapon na ito. Ayan. Hindi naman yan gaganda kung hindi yan nagpasalon kanina. Di ba? Kung hindi yan nagpa-make up kanina. At talagang plinansya ang hair. At talagang sa mga principal sponsors po natin na nandito ngayon, napakaganda po ninyo at napakapogi po ninyo ngayon. Praise God, praise God. So, si JM talagang since 2017, or 18? 18 ay kilala ko na po. Si Clarissa, more than a decade, nakita namin talagang nung siya ay college pa, walang naging boyfriend na pinakilala sa amin. Hindi ko alam kung itinago, pero wala po talaga akong maalala na may pinakilala na boyfriend si Clarissa kung hindi si John Mark lamang. Kaya napakapalad mo, John Mark, you are blessed. And ganun din, Clarissa, napakapalad mo dahil ikaw yung huling naging girlfriend ni John Mark. Nagpapatawa lang po ako dahil alam niyo na po, ang mga oras na ito ay oras na medyo baka antukin po tayo. Praise the Lord. Basahin ko po ang isang verse dito po sa Colossians chapter 3 verse 14. At higit sa lahat, magmahalan kayo, sapagkat ang pag-ibig ang buklod ng ganap ng pagkakaisa. Ang kasalan ay hindi lamang ito yung papel na basta ninyong pipirmahan. Hindi lang ito patungkol sa legal at sa batas. Bagkos ito rin ay isang covenant. It is a commitment. It is an agreement between the two of you and the Lord. Pag sinabi nating covenant, dalawang bagay. Unang-una, habang buhay na pangako. A long life commitment. Na kayo na nagdesisyon sa oras na ito, sa araw na ito, na kapag kayo ay pinag-isa na ng Diyos, kailanman hindi na kayo pwedeng paghiwalayin. That is your covenant to God. Kaya kung nag-iisip ka pa, Garote, na John Mark pala. John Mark pala. Mamaya pa pala sa honeymoon na ikaw ay gagarotihin. Mamaya pa pala yun, okay? Ikaw, John Mark, kung may naiisip ka pa na maghiwalay kayo, ay ikaw ay bine-break mo or yung may tinatawag na breach of contract sa Panginoon. Dahil kapag kayo ay pinag-isa na ng Diyos, hindi na dapat kayo maghiwalay. That is a lifelong commitment. Na ano yung commitment na yon? A commitment to each other that can withstand challenges. Na kahit anuman ang hamon ng bilang isang buhay na mag-asawa, tuloy lang at kayo ay magtiwala sa Panginoon. A commitment to God that can hold the marriage together even when other factors fail. May makikita kayo na hindi nyo magugustuhan sa bawat isa. Pag kayo ay nagsama, mayroon kayo mga hindi pagkakaunawaan, hindi pagkakaintindihan. But this is not a reason para kayo i-break ninyo yung covenant ninyo sa Panginoong Jesus. And the number 2, the covenant that you are making today with the Lord, not only a lifelong commitment, but number 2 is stay faithful. Ang pagiging tapat ninyo sa bawat isa. That is your covenant with the Lord. Dahil alam naman na ninyo, sa panahon ngayon, tanghali na lang ang tapat. Tama po ba? Kaya napakahirap. Kaya manatili na yan ang covenant natin sa Panginoong Hesus. Why marriage is sacred? Because it's not only about the papers and contracts. It's not about the wedding. It's not about how grand the wedding is or where kung anumang lugar yaan, kahit saan pa. It is sacred because God is the author. Number 2, now that you are one, yung support and understanding ninyo ay maiiba na rin. Ngayon, nakikinig na kayo sa bawat isa. Hindi kayo nagkakanya-kanya. Ito yung gusto ko, ito yung gusto ko. Hindi kayo magkasundo, pero ngayon, dahil ngayon ay iisa na kayo, ayan, you are now listening to each other's needs and perspective. Ibig sabihin, kapag kayo ay naging isa, it is not about competition. It is about completion. Dahil marami po na mag-asawa, akala nila sila ay nagkokompetensyahan. Lalo na pag mas malaki ang sweldo ng lalaki kesa sa babae. Mas lalo kung yung babae ay mas mataas ang posisyon kesa sa lalaki. Ina-under ng babae ang mga lalaki dahil mas mataas ang kanilang sahod. Pero hindi po dapat ganon. Because it's not a competition, it is a completion. Tama ba yun, mga asawang lalaki? Oh, nako po. Parang napigilan yata. Sabi niya, huwag kang magsasalita. Sabi nung asawang babae, huwag kang magsasalita. Tanungin ko na lang po si Daddy na nandito ngayon. Tama po ba yun, Daddy? Dapat tayo po ang nangunguna sa ating pamilya at tayo po ang nasusunod sa ating pamilya. Okay po. Praise God po. Praise God. Sabi ni Daddy, dapat pantay lang po. Ayan. Dahil tinignan ni Mami ng masama. Mayos ka na sagot mo. Ayan. Tatanungin naman po natin si Tatay Leonardo. Kayo po ba ay dapat po na hindi po nagkokompetensyahan? Pero dapat po ang lalaki ang siyang nangunguna sa pamilya. Pantay lang din po, pantay. Mukhang nag-usap na po yata yung dalawa po nating mga parents sa oras po na ito. So, hindi ganon. Dapat you complete each other. And you complement each other. Minsan yung kalakasan mo ay kahinaan ni Clarissa. Yung kalakasan mo, Clarissa, ay kahinaan niya. Hindi nyo dapat i-down ang bawat isa kung hindi kayo ay magtulungan dahil sa harapan ng Diyos kayo ay iisa. Hindi lamang maiiba dahil kayo ay iisa na, yung emotional and physical closeness ninyo, lalo na yan na magkakaroon ng intimacy. Mas lalo pa kayong mapapalapit sa isa't isa. Gawin nyo na lang breakfast, adobo, lunch, chicken curry. Hindi ba? Mukhang mahirap patawanin si John Mark, ha? Parang seryosong-seryoso eh. Parang nasa isip niya, kinikwenta niya na lahat ng gastos dito. Eh. Ilan yung dumating, sumubra yata kami. Huwag kang mag-alala. Dahil ang mga ninong at ninang ay nandito. Bago ko sila papirmahin, tig sa 10,000 ang kanilang ibibigay. Mababa na yon, mababa na. Hindi sila pipirma kung hindi 10,000, okay? Kaya tawa ka naman dyan. Mukhang nga malalim ang iniisip mo. Yung ginagawa nyo ngayon, the decision that you are making today, it is what? It is a commitment na kamatayan lang ang pwedeng maghiwalay sa inyo. Gusto ko pong tawagin sa oras na ito ang secondary sponsor, ang veil sponsors to clothe them. Thank you. Hanggang kayo ay nabubuhay, ikaw na ang babalikat kay Clarissa. Na lahat ng responsibility, lahat ng pagiging duties and responsibility ng pagiging isang asawa at soon na magiging isang ama ng iyong pamilya, ikaw na ikaw ang may responsibility na mag-provide sa kanila, mag-care sa kanila, at magtanggol kay Clarissa. Nakalagay dito sa iyong balikat, isang pasanin na mula ngayon hanggat kayo ay nabubuhay, ikaw na ang bahala na magpariban kay Clarissa. Ang ating pong cord sponsor ay ate po ng ating groom na si John Mark. At as husband po ninyo, husband, ayun, at bayaw ni John Mark, ang cord sponsor. Sa inyong pagkakaisa, ang third party lang na pwede sa inyo ay ang Diyos. Dahil ang Diyos ang ikatlong tali ng inyong relasyon. Kapag ang Diyos ay kasama ninyo sa inyong relasyon, kapag ang Diyos ang naging sentro ng inyong relasyon, anumang mga hamon, anuman ang bagyo ng buhay, hindi kayo basta-basta mapipigtas at bibigay. Ganon din naman, gusto kong tawagin ang candle sponsor sa oras na ito. Ayan. Ay, wag pa? Ayan ba? Ay, picture muna. Ay, okay. Sige. May time, John Mark, may mga low moments ka ng iyong buhay. Gusto kong sabihin sa iyo na si Clarissa ay nariyan. Na kapag may time na ikaw ay, ipatayin nga natin. Na kapag ikaw ay minsan wala. Ikaw ay malungkot at ikaw ay hindi masaya. Nandyan si Clarissa na pwedeng magbigay sa iyo ngayon ng kalakasan. Magbigay sa iyo ng kasiyahan. At ganun din, Clarissa, may time na marami kang paperworks. Masyado kang marami pinapagawa sa iyo sa opisina. Ay, nandito ba si boss? Ay, sorry po. Sinabihan na rin po ako ni Clarissa para bawasan nyo daw po. Dahil honeymoon. Honeymoon pa naman po. Honeymoon. Tsaka example lang naman po. Minsan maraming trabaho sa opisina. At minsan sa sobrang dami nasa opisina, nadadala mo pa ito sa bahay at nagiging sanhi ng iyong sakit ng ulo at ikaw ay nagiging mainisin. At minsan, namamatay din ang iyong kandila. Buti na lang, nandyan si John Mark na pwedeng magbigay ng aliw, pwedeng magbigay ng kalakasan, at pwedeng magbigay ng kagalakan para sa iyo. John Mark, sumabay ka sa akin as you were sa palasingsingan ni Clarissa.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and the promise I made to you today.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and the promise I make to you today.
Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon. Habang kayo ay nakatayo, nihilingan ko din po ang parents ng groom at ng bride na pwede po kayo tumayo sa oras po na ito. This is the time, John Mark and Clarissa, na kayo ay magpasalamat sa inyong mga magulang na narito ngayon. I believe kung wala kayo ngayon, kung wala sila, especially the blessing na kanilang binigay sa inyo. Kasama nila kayo through ups and downs at sila ay inyong kasama mula noon hanggang ngayon. Siguro mauna ka, John Mark, pasalamatan mo ang iyong mama at iyong papa.
Maraming salamat dahil binuhay niyo ako. Ay, maraming salamat din sa pag-aalaga, sa pag-aalaga niyo sa akin at lumaki ako ng maayos, na hindi sakit sa ulo at mas lalong naging mas malalim sa Lord. Ayan, pinasasalamatan ko lalo yung mas nakilala ko si Lord dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Mamahal ko kayo pa. Tito, tita, maraming salamat. Ay, mother, father. Salamat po sa sa pagtanggap niyo po sa akin. Yan, dahil po nung una pa lang po nung nagpakilala po kay Clarissa, napagkamalan niyo po akong delivery boy ng gasolina. Joke lang. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa love na binigay niyo rin po sa akin. Mula nung una hanggang sa ngayon po na ikakasal na po kami kinasal po kami ni Clarissa. Maraming salamat.
Hello, good afternoon po. Sa aking mga magulang, sa aking tatay at nanay, salamat po sa parati niyo pong pagsuporta sa akin. Kahit madami po akong failures, parati niyo po kaming sinusuportahan at wala po din po kami dito kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. At nakita ko yung talagang sakripisyo niyo para sa amin. At hindi po kami mapupunta sa posisyon na to kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. And dalangin po namin na sa amin pong pag-iisa ay mas maging blessing pa kami sa both sides ng family. And at isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutan ay yung may dinaanan kaming pagsubok ni John Mark. Hindi niyo po kami ginudge sa aming naging current situation noon. Pero naging matindi yung suporta niyo sa amin. Kaya ginamit po kayo ni Lord para makatayo kami agad at mapunta sa posisyon ngayon na nandito ikakasal na kami. And salamat po sa strength and wisdom and sa lahat po ng provision nyo na binibigay po sa amin magkakapatid. At mahal na mahal po namin kayo. At marami pang ibigay si Lord sa inyo na mahabang-mahabang buhay at satisfied life at madaming apo. Ayan po. And maraming salamat. And kay Tito at kay Mama at kay Papa. Ayan po. Kahit po nasa Manila po kayo at hindi ko po kayo parating nakakausap, nalaman ko po na napakabuti niyo pong magulang dahil reflection po kayo ni John Mark na sobrang humble at matindi po yung character. Alam ko po na hindi po siya magiging ganito kung hindi po dahil sa pagpalaki niyo po sa kanya. At higit sa lahat, yung matinding faith niya po kay Lord. Alam ko po na mana niya po sa inyo. At yun din po yung isang ipapamana niya po sa aming bubuuing pamilya. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at naway dalangin din po namin katulad ng pinag-uusapan namin parati na sa aming pag-iisang dibdib mas maging blessing po kami sa inyo pong dalawa. And maraming salamat po and madami pa po tayong pagsasamahan sa buhay. Yan lang po.
Mga ninong at ninang na nandito po ngayon, kayo po ba ay narito buong puso po ninyo na tinatanggap upang maging pangalawang magulang ni John Mark at Clarissa? At kayo po ba ay taos puso at hindi po kayo pinilit at nandito po kayo at tinatanggap niyo po na kayo po ay hindi lamang nakasuporta, hindi lamang po nandyan para sa kanila, ganun din ang makapagbigay ng advice because we believe na marami po kayong mga experiences. Mas marami po kayo na mga kaalaman at sila pong dalawa ay nagsisimula pa lamang. There is no amount of gift and money that you could give sa inyo pong magiging mga inaanak kung hindi ang salita ng Diyos at ang paggabay ayon sa salita ng Diyos. Marami pong salamat sa inyo po. Nandito, Garote, pwede mo ba, John Mark, pwede mo bang pasalamatan ang inyong mga ninong? Ay, sa ninong ka na lang, ikaw, Clarissa, sa iyong nisa.
Ninong, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po dito. Isang napakalaking bagay po sa akin na nakita ko po kayo at na-witness niyo po yung aming kasal. Pagpalain po lalo kayo ng Lord at i-bless niya po lahat ng mga gagawin po ninyo at gabayan niya po kayo sa lahat po ng gagawin po ninyo. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Sa amin po mga ninang, maraming salamat po at alam ko po hindi po biro na binigyan niyo po kami ng inyo pong oras at inyo pong effort. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at pagpalain po kayong lahat ni Lord at alam po namin na yung connection po namin sa inyo ay magiging isang blessing po sa atin at alam ko po na madami pa pong gagawin si Lord sa mga buhay po natin. Thank you po sa inyo pong lahat sa amin po mga ninong. Maraming salamat po nakapunta po kayo dito and pagpalain po tayo ni Lord lahat.
Ngunit sa huli palagi pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipili malaman mong iyo ko palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ang ingay at ang gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo ako.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. When the roads we take get rough, he knows that we can steer them back, and he's ever there to help us clear the path.
Turn to your left po, left. Left dito po. Yan, and to your right. Left po again, left, yan. Left po, tingnan nyo naman po, palapakan nyo naman sila. Beautiful! Kaway po kayo ng beauty queen. Thank you so much po for giving so much effort for this beautiful event. And of course, na mayor. Sir, sa right nyo nga po, sir. Turn to your right sa cat. Wow! Wow! Another turn to the right po. Right turn. Face right, hindi pala turn. Face your right. And palapakan naman natin sila! This time lang, kaway-kaway mo. Everybody, and of course, this event wouldn't be possible without the approval of the groom's parents and the bride's parents. So let's give it up for the groom's parents, Mr. Once again, the gorgeous looking parents of the groom. And of course, hindi magpapala, parents of the bride, Mr. Leonardo and Mrs. Amelita Aguilar. How about we put our hands together? so much. And now let's give it up for Team Broom.
But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. I know that you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you. Give me your attention, baby. Gotta tell you a little something about yourself. Give me your attention, baby.
From the start, yeah.
You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure.
Stop po ng music, ayan. Stop po ng music, ayan. Ang pinipare po nilang dance steps ay puro palakpak, okay? Palakpakan po natin ang groomsmen, ayan. Okay, pang 152 na to na play ni Kuya, ni DJ. Utang na loob po, isayaw nyo na. Okay. Ready? Let's give it up for Team Groom!
You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure.
Malapakan
You
nyo!
are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you. Give me your attention, baby.
Let's go!
I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're one of my darlings. Ooh, you a sexy lady.
Oh, wow.
But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else.
Put our hands together for Team Groom!
I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you where you're mine, oh mine. Mine, oh mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true if you let me treasure you.
Let's go. 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Yan, palakpakan naman. Parang may napunit mo ba? Punit check, okay? Parang bagong binyag si Garote dun, ha? Okay. And of course, hindi naman magpapahuli. Let us put our hands together to our Team Bride! Stage also the Team Groom. Because two souls come together to embark a new chapter of their lives. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time as husband and wife, let us give it up for Mr. John Mark and Mrs. Clarissa Garote.
You
Yan, gusto ko yung ang bilis ng tayo ni Ninong at naka-ready ang camera. Mag-best friend po ba kayo? Si Ninong, kita ko yung supportan niya sa inyo para niya po kayong anak na sa kindergarten. Ayan, okay. Everybody, let us groove and dance with Daddy Leonardo Aguilar. Music! Awitin mo, isasayaw ko. Let's go! Okay. Yan pa lang ang warm-up nyo. And now, music! Yan! Sasayaw po ang mga ninong at ninang.
Walang iba kung sasala.
We wanna see the ninongs and the ninangs dancing. Yan!
Sana ay pinawag
Yan po ang groove natin nung kayo po kayo ang kabataan nyo. Yan.
awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Naku ko naman na lagi ka pakikinggan. Pagkailanman ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na padalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko.
Wow! I love the energy. Thank you so much po, Daddy Leonardo. Sa malakas na palapakan naman dyan for the father of the bride. Grabe, dancer pala si Daddy. Very bagets, ayan. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Garote. Ayan, Garote. Anong gusto mong pronunciation nun?
Girl.
Garotes, grabe, very konyo. Mr. and Mrs. Garotes. Wow, palapakan naman natin sila. And of course, quick interview. How does it feel that you are now married and tied to each other? Ikaw muna.
Feeling blessed.
Wow, feeling blessed. How about the groom? Ayan parang kaka-first communion.
Forevermore.
Forever. Grabe yung sagot ni groom tugmang-tugma ha. Sabi ko, ano ang feeling niya? Sagot ni Clarissa, feeling blessed. Ang sagot ni groom, forevermore. Grabe, kinomplete mo yung sentence niya. Okay, question. Ayan, ilang anak ang gusto ng bride and groom? Sabay kayong sasagot. Ready, go. Wow, English and Tagalog. 4. Okay. Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Ay! Lights on ang gusto nyo? Ayan. Maliit, malaki. Malaki ang pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa. Okay, kinakabahan ka, Garote? Simple lang ang mga tanong. Okay. And of course, hingan natin sila ng 10-second kiss with each other. Okay, so let us ting-ting-ting-ting our glasses. Ting-ting-ting-ting. Hindi alam yung term. Ting-ting-ting-ting our glasses. Okay? For the first kiss. Ay, tapos naman ang first kiss. Second kiss as husband and wife. Pwede po ba tayo dito sa taas? And please hold your bouquet. Yan, para mas kita kayo. Okay. 10-second kiss of Clarissa and JM.
Kiss me,
Ding, ding, ding.
I'll be waiting by
Wait, sige, tuloy lang.
beside the green
Pahinaan po yung music. Yan, hinaan yung music. Yan. Take note, hindi pa ako nagbibilang ha. Hindi pa yan counted. Hindi pa yun, tuloy lang, hindi pa kami nagbibilang. Nagtataka nga kami bakit nag-kiss na kayo kasi hindi pa kami nagbibilang. Okay, again, we'll kiss ulit. Gustong-gusto ni, yan. Ganito muna, Garoti. So, kikiss mo muna siya sa tatlong part ng face niya, okay? Ito ay tinatawag nating warm up, okay? Para sa honeymoon. Kung kikiss mo si Clarissa ngayon sa any part of her upper, upper lang ha, kasi SPG tayo dito. Alam mo yung mga kabataan dito, okay? So, saan mo siya ikikiss muna? Go! Sa noo, wait lang, Garote. Wait lang. Isa-isa lang, masyado mo. Minumukbang mo na agad si Clarissa. Okay, ulit muna. Saan mo siya ikikiss? Sa una? Sa noo. Yan, nakuha pa. Next, saan? Second? Sa nose. So, akala ko sa pilik mata, iba na yung tingin ng makeup. Ang sama nung tingin ng makeup artist sa'yo, mo ikikiss yung pilik mata, okay? Sasama sa bigote. Okay, and of course, iba pa yung sa lips, ha? Okay. Saan mo siya ikikiss? Sa ngala-ngala? Pwede naman. Ayan, saan? Sa baba daw. Napaka-unique nun. Sige, kiss mo siya sa baba. Ay, wow! Pwede i-hold mo. Pwede dyan na lang yung 10 seconds. Charot na. Pwede kiss mo siya sa baba ng 5 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. And of course, the 10-second kiss. Let's go. 1. Bilang tayo, 1. Ting-ting-ting-ting the glasses po. Thank you so much for being so cooperative. 1. Once upon a time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sir, boto po ba kayo kay Garote talaga? Hindi naman po kayo napilitan. Ay, boto talaga kayo, sir. Mga ilang kilong bigas na po yung naibigay niya sa inyo. Kayo po, mami. Agree? Agree po? Agree. Ayun, of course. Ang good-looking parents din. Ay, andyan ba kayo? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Nakalimutan natin. And 10! Alright. Thank you so much. Ayan. Anong feeling, Garote, na nakakakiss ka ng madami? Ano mo, sure up? Sure up. Lakas mo yun.
Sure up.
Yeah. Talaga namang, sure up. Okay, now let's take this seriously this time because at this moment we'll have the father and daughter dance and the mother and son dance. Yan, okay? So this is a gesture of thanking the parents of the bride and groom all throughout the years of their lives. Okay, so we call on Daddy. Mother po muna ni groom, mommy. Pwede po ba tayo dito sa kanya? Groom, please.
Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the win and losing and trying. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. Just as sure as the seasons were made for change, our lifetimes were made for these years. So I will be here, and I will be here so you can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you and I will be here.
Natutuwa ako kasi nga siya ay nakipag-isang dibdib na siya kay Clarissa, and thank you kasi alam ko naman na ang Panginoon ang sentro ng kanilang buhay, at alam ko naman na sila ay parehas na mananampalataya, and kung ano man yung dumating na ups and downs sa inyong dalawa, alam ko naman na hindi kayo pababayaan ni Lord. Lagi kayong patuloy kayong maging matatag. Ano man yung mga shortcomings sa inyong dalawa, alam ko na ang Panginoon ang siyang gagabay sa inyo. And yun lang ang masasabi ko. And congratulations and best wishes to you both. Yun lang.
Para sa akin, mukhang malungkot ang para sa akin, nandun na sila sa nasa wastong gulang na sila, alam na nila ang tama at mali. So, nagkasundo sila, hindi mo naman pwede silang pigilan, nandiyan sila, nagkasundo sila. So, ang akin na lang, suporta lang para sa akin, magmahalan sila, anuman ang pagkakamali ng bawat isa. So, dapat magbigayan sila kasi pinag-isa sila ng Panginoon. At higit sa lahat talaga ang Panginoon ang may sentro sa kanilang pagmamahalan. Yun po lamang. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, sir. Pwede po natin, please stay po.
Ang masasabi ko po, walang magulang na hindi nangangarap ng mabuting kalagayan sa mga anak. Sa ngayon, John Mark, Clarice, kung ano man yung mga bagay-bagay na dapat siguro na ikabubuti sa inyong pagsasama, siguro manalig lang tayo sa pong may kapala. Lahat ng mga sigalot sa buhay, masusumpungan natin kung isisentro natin ang ating pong may kapal sa ating pamumuhay. Congratulations.
Mami? Ibigay ang kamay. Yan. Thank you so much po.
Days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never.
How about a big hand for this lovely couple? Look at
How
that.
blind I've been. Now I'm here, blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's all so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue. And it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted.
All those days chasing down a daydream, all those years living in a blur, all that time never truly seeing things the way they were. Now she's here, shining in the starlight. Now she's here, suddenly I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog is lifted. And at last I see the light,
And it's like the sky is blue,
and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. Now that I see.
Wow, so dreamy.
told you. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button.
Alright, and this time, ayan. Galing pang YouTube yung yung kanta. Okay, this time, the couple will be doing their prosperity dance. So please continue dancing.
Here we are under the moonlight. I'm the one without a dry eye, 'cause you look amazing. I'm sorry for whatever I've caused. Before today I knew I felt lost, but now you're my lady. So take my hand now, see me, 'cause you made me into this man. I promise I'll treasure you, girl. You're all that I've needed, complete in my world. You're my love, my life, my beginning. And I'm just so stumped I got you. Girl, you are the piece I've been missing. Remembering now all the times I've been alone. Show me the way. Let me hear, let me hold right through that door straight to you. You're my love, my life, my beginning. It's you. Someone needs to come and pinch me now. I just can't believe what I have found, standing here by me, giving me the greatest gift you can, saying yes and now our life begins, choosing you daily. So take my hand now, see me, 'cause you made me into this man. I promise I'll treasure you, girl. You're all that I've needed, complete in my world. You're my love, my life, my beginning. And I'm just so stumped I got you. Girl, you are the piece I've been missing. Remembering now all the times I've been alone. Show me the way. Let me hear, let me hold right through that door straight to you. You're my love, my life, my beginning. It's you. I will never give up on you, girl. Treat you right every night. Make my move just for you. Wanna do this right. You're my love, my life, my beginning. And I'm just so stumped I got you. Girl, you are the
Tingin ko, mga magulang na kung hindi na dahil sa kanila, hindi ko kami lalaking ganito. Para kay ate, o palang po. Ang taking ka lang marigit. Pero kidding aside po, hindi man tayo close tulad ng iba, pero ito siguro yung pagkakataon para masabi ko na super duper proud ako bilang kapatid mo. And super blessed ako na meron akong katulad na ate, tulad mo, na responsible, mabait, at maganda. And kay Kuya Jan naman po, noon pinapangarap ko lang magkaroon ng kuya ngayon na tupad na. At thank you kasi pinuli mo yung pinigang puso ng ate ko. And yun lang po, congrats and best wishes.
That was so sweet. Thank you so much for our maid of honor. And now to lead us in the white tale, just all the best man. the brother of the group.
Good evening po sa lahat ng dumalo po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ang masasabi ko lang po sa inyong dalawa, Kuya, Ate Kla, congratulations. Ayun lang. Wala akong masasabi sa kapatid ko. Napaka-proud po ako sa kanya kasi napakabait po niya and humble talaga. Aminado po ako doon kasi alam ko ako hindi. Napakabait niya and deserve po niya itong lahat ng ito na na-achieve niya and ma-achieve niya pa. Lalo na ngayon po na meron po siyang Ate Kla. Ate Kla, ayun, napakabait mo rin po. Talagang nakikita po namin na yung support niyo po kay Kuya is talagang full support po kasi kami po, malayo po kami dito. So kayo po yung number one na naging takbuhan niya sa lahat ng problema niya. Ayun. Ayun. Talagang congratulations po sa inyo. Ayun lang po masasabi.
Please hold your glasses and...
Cheers, brother!
Thank you so much to our best man! Ayan, kailangan ubusin. Ubusin.
I can see that this is my moment. This is my time. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. Talking to myself, said you gotta go get it. Daylight, don't stay long, don't stay long. Walk into my future, I'll make it everything I intended. Won't be long, won't be long, won't be long. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment. This is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. When the morning comes, I'm gonna say, look how bright I've become. I'm gonna stay in the light of the sun all day long. I won't run, this is my destiny, and I won't ever let the darkness get the best of me. I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I ain't gonna wait no more. The world is gonna see me glow. Mama used to say, baby, for goodness sake, don't ever dim your light down low. This is my moment. This is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. I'm gonna own it. I've made up my mind, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Kayo nag-cheer? Okay, papalampakan na sila. Everybody, let's put our hands together. Mr. Renante, nasa na si Mr. Renante? Okay, kaya. Sasabayan ka ni Daddy ni Clarissa. At sasayawan po. Daddy, panoorin niyo po na sayawan ni Garoke, ang inyong anak, ng sexy dance. I-ready niyo po yung samurai niyo. Okay, everybody, let's give it up for the groom, John Mar Garote. Let's go! Wait na,
practice lang. 1, 2. Alright, let's go. Music! Baka ibang garter. Baka ibang garter ang nakakita mo dyan, ha? Okay. Yan. Palamakan ng mga ganyan. Ayan. Bilugan niyo lang siya. Bilugan niyo lang siya. Dito kayo tayo. Dadalawan niyo lang siya. Go. Yes. Pass the bouquet lang. Okay, yan. Hawakan niyo yung bouquet. Yan. Pasa niyo, pasa niyo. Ang unang round, ang mga hawak, out. Okay, out na. Okay, practice. Practice lang po yun. Biglang tumigil eh. Sorry na. Okay, ready? Music! Go! Okay. Kailangan sasayaw. Okay, Missy! Missy! Ano, hindi, ang rule naman maa-out. Sino may hawak? Okay, Missy, pakihawak ang bouquet. Picture ka na dito. Yan. Dahil ikaw ang nanalo! Okay, dito na. Ayan. Sige, papasa mo. Nagagalit yung nanay niya. Okay, dala mo. Pinasa kay Julie. Okay, boys. Yan, dito ka na, Julie. Yan. Okay. Out na si ano. Okay, boys. Nandito tayo. Pakibigay mo ang inyong face mask. Julie, sa stage ka muna with Clarissa. Yan. Hindi, okay na. Ayan. Wait lang po. Sa gentleman, dito lang kayo sa harap. Dito lang kayo sa harap. Basta si Garote. Yan, ikaw mag-lead ng dance sa kanila. Mag-face mask lang kayo, mga quiz. Mga quiz. Face mask sa mata. Yan. Ganito ha, formation natin dito. Music!
Kiss? Kiss! 10 seconds.
Oh, ma'am.
Tapos na? Hindi mo kumakanta si Sir. Kakanta si Sir. Galing pang Iloilo si Sir. Tapos hindi niyo siya makakantahin. O, dito balik kayo dito. Ayan. Sir Renante. Ayan po. Okay na mo? Meron na po music? Okay. Ayan. Julie, dyan ka muna. Dito ka, Sir Nico. Pag mag-start na kakanta si Sir, dahan-dahan kayong gaganon. Gaganon. Yes. May choreography on the spot. Ito si Sir Nico, tingnan mo, iniwan na siya ng mga kasama niya. Nandito pa siya para lang sa'yo. Oo, sabi niya gusto niya Okay.
You're the one who never lets me stay. To my mind and to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom to morning shines and I can't see. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. As in my mind, I can't believe it's true. But in my heart, the reality is you. I am all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. Flowers bloom to morning shines, and I can see. That lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill Congratulations and best wishes, JM and Clarissa, our newlywed couple.
Thank you so much, everybody. Mr. Renante Bautista for celebrating the couple. Palakpakan natin, sir. And of course, to Julie and Nico for being so game. Maraming salamat po. And at this time, let's have the BIR family to have a quick photo op in a couple. Yeah, and to those who still want to have their photos taken with a couple, please approach us here in front po. Grabe. Ay! We forgot to give the prizes. Nabigay na po ba yung prizes? Okay, sige, picture po muna. Prizes for Nico and Julie. Thank you, message. Ayan. Since nasa harap na po kayo, ayan, please listen po to the couple as they give their thank you message. Ayan, everybody, pwede po ba tayong tumayo lahat? Hello, thank you po sa lahat. And maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po dito, sa inyong pong effort, sa pag-share po ninyo ng inyong time. Salamat po, we truly and deeply feel so appreciated and loved ngayong araw na to sa important moment na aming pong mga buhay. Siyempre sa aming pong immediate family, maraming salamat po. Sa BIR family, thank you so much. Sa BIR family, sa JRFIM family, maraming salamat po. Sa mga galing pa po sa FCC pastors, thank you po. Galing pa po sa Quezon City, sa Pampanga, thank you so much po. Yung mga galing pa pong iba't ibang dako ng Pilipinas, maraming salamat po sa lahat. And truly, this is remarkable day for all of us as we celebrate sa mga taong importante po sa aming lahat. And maraming salamat sa inyo. I could not give back na in anything yung mga effort niyo po sa amin. Pero I pray na ibalik siksik lumaapaw ng Lord yung mga biyaya na i-share niyo po sa amin. Thank you so much po sa ating lahat. And of course, sa amin po, mag-thank you pa muna.
Thank you po muna. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagpunta na nasubaybayan niyo po ang aming kasal ni Clarissa. Maraming salamat po talaga sa inyo. At sa pag-uwi po ninyo, gabayan po kayo ng Lord, safe and sound. Lalo po sa galing po ng Manila, kala Pastor.
Hello.
Hello.
Check.
Yun po, maraming salamat din po sa mga ka-workmate ko ni Clarissa. Sa BIR po, maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa pagpunta nyo, and then sa JRFIM family. Ayan, maraming salamat po din sa family ko po, syempre, na pumunta rin dito. At sa mga kapatid po, na mga kaibigan din po namin, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I-bless kayo ng Lord. At pagpalain po kayo, maraming salamat.
And syempre, hindi rin po namin makakalimutan yung mga naging katuwang namin ngayong araw na to. Salamat po sa inyo pong assistance, kay Ma'am Frangie at sa kanyang team sa On The Day Coordination, kay Agustin Video, salamat po sa inyong creativity at salamat sa inyong professionalism. Talagang ang gaganda po ng inyong shots. And thank you din po kay Ma'am Adele, in-enhance niya ang aming beauty. Wow! And thank you po sa Mami Stami for the grazing table, sa photo booth, JD photo booth, salamat po sa inyo. Sa ating pong JMAX event, salamat po sa napakagandang venue. Si Sir Pong, na aming stylist, thank you so much po sa lahat na natupad po yung aming pinagpipray at pagpalaan po tayo lahat ni Lord. At sa lahat po ng aming mga principal sponsors, yung mga umalis na, nagpaalam na sa amin, salamat po sa inyo pong mga effort. Sa aming pong mga... Hello, ayan. Salamat po sa... Gusto niya na umuwi.